Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a Gypsophila buttonhole. This is a really simple design to create. You could, if you prefer, wire the Gypsophila, in which case refer to our earlier videos where we show you how to wire and all the techniques involved with that. On this occasion I'm literally just going to take the stems together with parafilm. Then I'm going to finish the design with natural twine. I have buttonhole pins to secure and my trusty scissors. So I've cut the Gypsophila into manageable size pieces and taking my thumb and first finger, just create a cluster. Now it depends on how large you want your buttonhole to be as to how big a cluster you create, but I'm happy with that size. Then using the parafilm, bind those stems together. I'm only going to use the parafilm to create a binding point. I'm not going to cover the stems entirely because at this stage, if you wish to, you can cut those stems and pop them into water overnight, finishing the decoration on the morning of the event. That'll help with your timetable and your workload. For example, if you've got 50 of those to create, doing them the night before is going to be so much easier. Then to finish the stem, using my twine, just bind around that binding point with the twine. As far down as you wish to go, and then back up on itself. Laying it down, tying the two ends together. Now you can create a bow at this stage if you prefer, or just cut the stems loose. Personal preference and design preference is entirely up to you. I'm going to create a small bow. And then cut the natural stems the length that you desire. Then all you need to do is attach a pin for the person to wear it. And there you have it, a very, very simple buttonhole. I hope this has illustrated for you the techniques and skill involved in creating this style of buttonhole. And I hope it's given you the confidence to create them for yourself. I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.